1. Sudden vibrations or buzzing sensations in your body. As you approach the threshold of an out-of-body experience, one of the first noticeable signs is an intense vibration or buzzing sensation moving through your body. This can feel like gentle electrical currents, shiver-like ripples, or a low-frequency hum resonating deep inside you. These sensations often start subtly, perhaps in your hands, feet, or spine, and then spread until they encompass your whole body. What's really happening is a shift in your state of consciousness. Your energy body is beginning to loosen and separate from your physical form. It's a bit like the feeling of an airplane gaining lift. You're not moving physically, but your inner self is preparing for departure. Some people also describe hearing a faint humming, droning, or even a whooshing sound that accompanies these vibrations. While the intensity might surprise you, it's completely natural and harmless. In fact, experienced astral travelers often see this as a green light that projection is moments away. The key is not to panic or try to stop it. Just relax, breathe, and let the process unfold. 2. Hearing strange high-pitched tones or humming. As you get closer to an out-of-body experience, your sense of hearing may pick up sounds that have no physical source. These can range from high-pitched ringing, like a tuning fork or crystal glass, to deep humming, mechanical whirring, or even the faint sound of rushing wind. Some people describe it as hearing the frequency of the universe itself. Subtle, constant, and oddly hypnotic. These auditory sensations often happen because your awareness is beginning to shift away from the physical plane and tune into higher vibrational frequencies. It's like adjusting a radio dial. Suddenly you're picking up signals from another channel. The sounds might rise and fall in pitch, oscillate between your ears, or even feel as if they're coming from inside your head rather than from around you. They're not hallucinations in the traditional sense, but rather the way your consciousness interprets energetic changes as your astral body prepares to lift free. If you can remain calm and focused, these sounds often become a comforting signpost, letting you know you're on the verge of transitioning to the astral state. 3. Feeling weightless or sinking into the bed. As your body relaxes and your mind hovers between waking and dreaming, you may experience a sudden, almost surreal shift in your sense of gravity. For some, it feels as though their body has become feather-light, gently rising or floating above the bed. Others feel the exact opposite, a slow, steady pull downward, as if they're sinking deeper and deeper into the mattress or melting into the space beneath them. Both sensations are actually signs of the same thing. Your awareness is loosening its connection to the physical body. The floating sensation is often the early stage of your astral body lift. These feelings can come in waves, sometimes alternating between lightness and heaviness. The trick is to remain passive. Don't try to force yourself to rise or resist the sensation of sinking. The more you surrender to it, the more seamless the transition becomes. Many experienced astral travelers use this stage as a launch pad, focusing on the feeling of movement, to fully step into the astral realm. 4. Seeing lights or patterns with closed eyes. With your eyes gently closed, you might begin to notice your inner vision coming alive. At first, it may be faint, soft flickers of light in the darkness, or subtle glows in the corners of your mind's eye. As you sink deeper into the pre-projection state, these visuals often intensify into swirling clouds of color, pulsing orbs, or intricate geometric patterns that seem to move with a rhythm of their own. Some people liken this to watching the universe breathe. Waves of energy folding in and out, sometimes accompanied by a sense of depth, as if you're gazing into an infinite tunnel. These aren't random hallucinations. They're visual cues created as your brain and energy body shift into a different vibrational state. In essence, your inner senses are switching on, tuning you to the frequencies of the astral plane. If you can keep your attention on these shapes and lights without forcing them to change, they often evolve into full, vivid scenes, sometimes even forming doorways or landscapes you can step into. This stage is a powerful sign that you're just moments away from a complete separation from your physical form. 5. Losing awareness of physical boundaries. In the final moments before a full astral separation, your awareness of your physical form can begin to dissolve. You may no longer feel where your hands, legs, or head are positioned, as if your body's edges have melted away into the surrounding space. Some people describe this as a pleasant numbness, while others feel an incredible sense of expansion, like their consciousness has grown far beyond the limits of skin and bone. You might sense yourself as a sphere of awareness floating in a vast open space, or feel as though your body has become weightless and boundless. This detachment from physical boundaries is a strong indicator that your mind is disconnecting from its usual anchor in the physical world, making the astral state more accessible. If you can remain calm and receptive during this stage, it often leads to a smooth and almost effortless transition into a full out-of-body experience. The more you let go of trying to find your body, the more naturally your awareness slips into its freer astral form,